In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Coursera certificates. Whether you've had a recent name change or need to fix a typo, updating your certificate ensures your achievements match your official identity. First, log into your Coursera account and head over to the settings page. Here, look for the name verification section. This is what Coursera uses for all official certificates. Once you find it, click on Request Name Change. A form will appear where you will need to enter your name exactly as it appears on your government issued ID. Accuracy is key here, so double check spelling and format and have your ID handy for reference. After filling out the form, click Submit to send your request for review. The Coursera team will verify your information and update your records. You'll receive an email once the change is approved or if additional details are needed. And that's it. By following these steps, your certificates will reflect your correct name, keeping your credentials professional and accurate. Simple, right? Happy learning and congratulations on keeping your achievements in order.